Uptown Swing.
Uptown Swing. Uptown Swing.
8 count.
Level 1. Peter, it's Naomi, right?
Correct.
That's correct, my wife. Okay, so we did swing outs. And here were the big things we said. On 5, step that away. On 1, step that away. On 5, step that away. But teacher, on the swing out, should I just go like this and throw my partner? No, you should step that away. Bam! It's practice, but you got it. This is the drill. It's on last week's recap, but here's a bonus for you. Here's to remind yourself to step that way. Did I say that already? Step that way.
Followers, we told both leaders and followers to take their time, enjoy the time apart. That's something to talk to followers about, so you don't have to do a lot extra to connect with your partner. So you don't have to lean back, you don't have to pull yourself in. We're going to get into Zen state, hold ourselves, rest our hands, and just go a little slower than our leaders.
Then we did glide to the side. That's a half swing out, and then scoots. Boop,